gonna find a great place to camp. Have you've never camped up this far?
No, this is all new to me. That's why the butterflies in your stomach and the excitement, right?
So we're good up there?
Roger that.
Yeah, this is where it's nice to have a smaller truck, not a big ass full size.
Okay, we're moving now. Yeah, the guys on the horses, they're up here hunting, first time in this area.
We were hoping they had some knowledge back here.
No, because he was asking me how much farther we could drive.
Getting a little rougher. I don't know.
Uh-oh.
We gotta warn Bruce.
Uh-oh. Bruce, you might want to halt at the next big wide open field you have.
Like before the tent?
Yes.
Roger that.
10-4.
Yeah, Bruce, come on up. We found the bypass, so we're good.
10-4.
Real close to me. There you go. Keep going. That's good. Perfect. Perfect. The what? There you go. Park brake. It's not bad.
Seems a little front heavy.
That's not bad. 410 asks you not to cut your finger off with a hatchet.
Sponsored by
Sponsored by
Good Red. See what they use to support that one log?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a heavy duty
Yeah.
lovely.
My son loves this. He's always like, "What are you doing, buddy? Gatling gun, Dad." Yeah, you have my imagination. Only the camera could pick up the smell of the garlic. Got a toe in there?
Yeah, the hidden toe. Surprise! It's not a meatball.
Having an amazing pasta night tonight. We have a very nice homemade meat sauce and some meatballs in there.
Some homemade croutons
Homemade croutons, and we got some Caesar salad.
with a
It's gonna
homemade
be
dressing.
awesome night tonight. And a bottle of red wine. Always gotta have red wine with pasta.
Maybe next time we'll get sponsored by Mercato or the Italian Market. Hint, hint. Hashtag Mercato.
Hashtag Italian love.
Yeah. All right, we don't need this many croutons, but that's okay.
That's okay.
That'll fill us up.
Do I know what my first Instagram post will be this afternoon? This shot right here.
Yeah. There'll be 3, 4.
So what did you do today?
Awesome.
Little panel.
Does not get any better than this.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, it's good.
This is.
That's awesome.
Can we stay?
Well, I can. I'm on holidays.
Oh yeah.
Wow,
You're right.
I can stay.
I cannot stay. I
Oh, we
cannot
have enough
stay.
food for another day?
Yeah. Oh,
I got leftovers.
You got leftovers.
Yeah.
you.